Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, students, parents, and friends. Welcome to the commencement exercises of Asian Institute of Computer Studies Commonwealth and Bikutan. Let us now welcome the candidates for graduation from the Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, and Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship courses. Let us now welcome the AICS administrative officers, the board of directors, and our honored guest, Attorney Marco Cicero F. Domingo, Regional Director, Commission on Higher Education, National Capital Region. Thank you. You may now be seated. Once again, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, students, parents, and friends. Welcome to the commencement exercises of Asian Institute of Computer Studies Commonwealth and Bikutan. After 30 years of dedicated service, AICS continues to stand solid to its goal to provide quality education to the Filipino youth and help build a society ready to pursue higher learning, proficient workers, and experts. AICS has once again produced another promising batch of graduates this year, ready to set into action the knowledge, skills, and values they have learned, to become agents of hope and change for the country and for the world. This is Alvin Carrillo, Master of Ceremonies. May we request everybody to stand for the Philippine National Anthem. Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine National Anthem, Mr. Eugene Kier Kalising will be conducting.
Masisiil sa dagatan, bundok sa simoy at sa langit mo.
Ms. Hazel K. Rodeo will be conducting the opening prayer. Please remain standing.
Heavenly Father, in this moment of reflection and celebration, we come before you with hearts full of gratitude. We acknowledge your guidance and grace that have brought our graduates to this significant milestone. As they stand on the threshold of new beginnings, we humbly seek your continued presence in their lives. Bestow upon them the wisdom to navigate the complexity of the world, the fortitude to overcome adversity, and the compassion to serve others selflessly. Lord, grant them the strength to uphold integrity and the courage to pursue righteousness. May they be ever mindful of their responsibility and use their gift for the betterment of humanity. Instill in them a deep sense of purpose and a pursuit of truth and justice. We leave to you the families, mentors, and friends who have nurtured and supported our graduates. Bless them abundantly to their unwavering love and dedication. As we celebrate this occasion, we recognize that all the achievements are possible through your divine grace. Guides our graduates as they embark of their new beginnings, and may they always find solace and strength in your unweaving love. In your holy name we pray, Amen.
You may be seated. An inspirational speech from an honorable speaker is always an essential part of any commencement exercise. He is supposed to convey words and ideas of encouragement and motivation. To introduce our honorable guest speaker, let us call on AICS Corporate Secretary, Mr. Elmer Hernandez.
A pleasant good morning to all of you. Our guest speaker for this morning is a career executive service eligible, and he is currently the Commission on Higher Education National Capital Region Director. Let us all welcome Attorney Marco Cicero F. Domingo.
Good morning. Can I hear everybody say good morning also? Morning. Okay, before I go into my message, I'd like to give you some information. Yesterday, I signed a lot of contracts for contracts of services in our office. Baka naman po maimbitahan ko some of you. Would you like to work in government? Yes. Sino yung nag-yes? Sige, visit me. Kunin na kita. Is that okay? We need a lot of students who have background in technology or even in IT. And careers in government, believe it or not, maganda po ang career natin. It pays well, and maganda po ang career progression. Probably contrary to what you hear on TV. May mag-volunteer ba na mag-apply sa CHED? Yes? Wala po, ayaw nyo mag-apply sa amin. I'm already inviting you. Pag nalaman kong graduate po kayo ng school na to, tanggapin ko kayo. Yes? But anyway, to the Asis family, thank you for the invitation. It's obviously an honor to take part in your graduation ceremony. I'd like to introduce myself, the one speaking before you now. I've been with CHED the past 12 years, and I started my career as the chief of the Enforcement and Investigation Division of the Legal Service. As chief of what we call IED, I was fortunate enough to have visited all regions in the country, north to south. Can I ask our graduates, how many regions do we have? How many? Graduates. Wala pong sumasagot. Hindi po tayo matatapos dito. How many regions? Guess. Ayaw akong tingnan. 16? Raise your hands. Wala. 17. Baka naman stuck tayo sa 13 pa, yung panahon pa namin. May narinig ako, somebody said 17. Who said 17? Wala po talaga. Correct, 18. Because we have a new region, which is the NIR region. So we have 18 regions. So whenever we visit the regions, usually I would head a small committee. We would evaluate or validate the programs of the HEIs. When I say HEIs, higher education institutions. We've closed a lot of programs, and so to some extent, we actually closed some schools. The good news is, in my 12 years or so with the commission, I have never visited your school. Correct? Meaning, walang umabot na problema sa amin. Correct? Palakpakan naman natin ng management. Because you do not hear this, you do not probably hear this on media, but we do close a lot of programs in different parts of the regions, in different parts of the country. And this year alone, I'd like to share this with you. This year alone, we already have the number of HEIs that we will be visiting, possibly to close some of their programs. I say this because if you've been following Congress, NCR has been tagged as, unfortunately, but I have to say this, as the diploma mill of the country. When I say diploma mill, ito po yung schools that offer programs below standard. And when I say the list, and to the best of my recollection, that list does not include your school. Palakpakan na natin. At any rate, if you've been following our social media pages, probably some of you have, last or 2 weeks ago, baka you've heard about this, the CHED, together with several national agencies, were in Iloilo. We were in Iloilo to launch a program which I think directly relates to all of you, to all the graduates here, which is called CHED RAISE. RAISE, RAISE. CHED RAISE is a strategic framework to operationalize AI in the academe. Okay, I'm pretty sure all of you use AI. Do you use AI here? Yes. Yung mga thesis nyo ba, nag-AI kayo? Nako, yan ang problem. No, anyway, yesterday, we had our, what we call our directorate meeting, and we will come up with a hopefully standardized policy on the use of AI. Kasi po, it's really prevalent already, and we have to regulate it. In fact, in some of the Ivy League schools abroad, they are going back to the traditional way of exams. Pen and paper and oral exams. In that way, you will really know if the student really wrote yung work niya or the thesis or in whatever po yung exam, ano. So I do not know if we will come to that point, but CHED right now is formulating the policy to integrate AI in the curriculum. Obviously, hindi nyo na naabutan ito, but it might become part of our GE subjects. Hopefully this year, ma-finalize na po namin yan. So I find your theme very timely, itong graduation theme natin, because race, as I mentioned, is a strategic approach to use of AI. It's an acronym, actually. R stands for Reimagine Education. We have a specific target or outcome that we want to transform learning through AI-powered pedagogy and innovation. We do not have any option because AI is now part of life. No? Hindi na po natin sabihin, bawal gamitin. Because it really helps. But we do not have rules or regulations right now or guidelines on the use of AI. So kanya-kanya kayo. A stands for alignment of skills. We have to match your skill set with the demands of industry. Yesterday po, nagkukwentuhan po kami. One graduate of a BS course, ang trabaho po niya is a clerical job. Huwag naman pong sanang ganon. So, just to inform you what we've been doing in government, we've partnered with DOLE. We entered into memorandum of agreement with DOLE. Hopefully, for the workforce development of the country, para ma-match po natin yung skills ninyo. So you go into your program, and then pagka-graduate po ninyo, hopefully, there will be an industry that will be accepting you. I stands for innovate responsibly. You all mentioned, well, most of you mentioned that you use AI, but there is a correct way of using AI. There's an ethical way of using AI. So we are mapping that out right now in the new guidelines. S stands for strengthen partnerships. Dito po pumapasok yung intra or intergovernmental relationships. I mentioned we've been working with industries, specifically to, of course, again, go back to meet the demands of the workforce. Kasi po, oversubscribe yung ibang programs natin. For example, criminology, if you go abroad, if you go around the country, halos lahat ng schools nag-o-offer ng criminology. So I think we should really strategize kung ano ba talagang needs, especially here in Quezon City. In Quezon City po, we have different needs compared to, let's say, a region in Cagayan de Oro. Magkakaiba po yan. E stands for empower communities. So we leverage AI for social development and sustainability. So this is where our agency, CHED, can help our HEIs, especially in the NCR region. Just a bit of information to all of you. NCR has the highest number of programs offered in any region. Combined, we have 324 higher education institutions in NCR. Some of you, dikit-dikit. Tabi-tabi, you will cross 1 kilometer, there will be another school. The problem is, most of you offer the same programs. So yun po yung challenge sa amin, CHED. How do we regulate it? Are you familiar with all the 300 schools here in Manila? Probably most of you have not even heard some of the schools. Pero most of you live in NCR. Kahit po ako, I live here, but I have not heard most of the schools. Ang naririnig lang po natin are the bigger ones. But I'd like to go back to our theme. No? When you say future-ready students, what do we mean by being future-ready? Does it mean that we must have the skills, the mindset, etc., to meet a world of uncertainty? I'd like to share to you what I've experienced in my work as a government official. Hindi lang po tayo dapat hard skills to the graduates. Do we know the difference between hard skills and soft skills? Yes? Wala na ako naririnig. Yes? Yes. You know what? As the person in charge of my office in hiring, I would rather have somebody. I do not need a summa cum laude. I do not need a magna cum laude and so forth. I consider it to be equal that you have to have the necessary EQ. When I say EQ to the graduates, you have to have the necessary emotional intelligence po, no? Pag wala po yon, I assure you po, you will have a difficult time in your careers. I hope you listen to me, no? Hindi lang po ito ang kailangan. Kailangan marunong tayong makisama, marunong tayong makitungo sa ating kapwa mga workers. I'd like to give a definition of what soft skills are. Ito po yung ability natin, human ability to communicate, to adapt, to be a leader, to know what teamwork means. In the absence of soft skills, graduates, mahirapan po tayo with our transformative innovation, and there will be no accountable leadership. Do you agree with me? Yes, yes. May isang malakas nagsabi ng yes. So without EQ, without integrity, without accountability, leadership loses its purpose. I do not like to add some political side to my message, but you've been hearing about this all over the news. I do not doubt the intelligence of these people, but the problem is, na isang tabi na nila po yung accountability. And I do not like that to happen to our new graduates. So, this is why a future-ready graduate is not defined by intelligence alone, but by balance. And when I say balance, kayo po ito, no? Someone who can code, but can communicate as well. Who can innovate, but who can also empathize. Who can lead, but also listen. My fellow, ako'y nag-graduate din a long time ago. The challenges ahead of us are real. Ano? We all know this. We face a world of rapid change. We are called not just to adapt to change, but to shape it. In short, my message is, let us be responsible in our use of technology. I would like to segue a little bit because only recently, although I am now part of NCR, I was called to investigate approximately 500 graduates. Like you po, graduates, But when we did our investigation po, ginamit po nila ang technology in the wrong way. When we looked into their work, especially their thesis, immediately we were able to determine hindi po sila ang nagsulat. It was really AI that wrote it. 500 students in one of the regions. So may akibat na responsibility talaga ang use of AI. So let us pursue transformative innovation that improves lives. Let us practice again accountable leadership that is guided by integrity, responsibility, and service. I hope yung impression po ninyo in SHED, I do not know if you've been hearing news about us, that it is one of the most trusted agencies. Wala pong gumagawa sa amin ng kalokohan, wala pong gumagawa ng pera sa amin in SHED. It so happens lang ang namimedya po are the bad ones. So that is why I am quite confident in inviting you, the graduates, those who want to work with us. Feel free to drop by our office anytime. Mention that you saw me during the graduation. I will try to accommodate you. Right now, we have 50 plus contracts of services. 50 plus. Baka pag binensyon ko pa yung sweldo, magtakbuhan kayo doon. Would you know how much we give to the graduates, to the RCOS? As a starting position, it can go as high as 60 per month. Taas, ano, di ba? Nakakagulat. It's actually even higher than the ones in private. So, may nagbo-volunteer na ba? Yes. But anyway, I do not like to prolong my message. Ano po yon? May narinig ako eh. Baka right after this, pumunta na kayo. I cannot give you the plantilla position. The plantilla means permanent position because you have to have a certain number of years of experience, and obviously, probably some of you do not have. But we can allow the contract of service. So, not to prolong it, but to the parents, to the relatives who are all here, to your friends who are all here, to the graduates, congratulations po sa inyong lahat. And I'd like to congratulate, of course, yung mga daddy at mommy nyo for allowing you to go and graduate at a very good institution in the National Capital Region. So congratulations po sa inyong lahat. And good morning.
Thank you very much, Attorney Domingo. Once again, palakpakan po natin si Attorney for a very inspiring and informational message. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we now present you the Batch 2026 candidates of graduation from AICS Commonwealth and Bikutan. To present the candidates for graduation from the Bachelor of Science in Computer Science course, we'd like to call on AICS Central 1 Manager, Mrs. Rosalita Olivo.
President, Mr. Anthony Assis, I have the honor to present to you the 120 candidates for graduation for the Bachelor of Science in Computer Science.
To present the candidates for graduation from the Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, we'd like to call on AICS Central 2 Area Manager Mr. Albert P. Guevara.
President, Mr. Anthony Assis. I have the honor to present to you the 17 candidates for graduation for the Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering.
To present the candidates for graduation from the Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship, we'd like to call on AICS South Area Manager Mr. John Larinario.
President, Mr. Anthony S. Assis, I have the honor to present to you the 68 candidates for graduation for the Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship.
Of course, ladies and gentlemen, AICS President Mr. Anthony S. Assis will now confer the graduates.
Good morning, everyone. Yeah. By the virtue of the power vested upon me by the Director of the Commission of Higher Education, I hereby confer you as graduates of the Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, and Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship, with all the rights, honors, and privileges appertaining thereunto. Congratulations, you are now full-fledged graduates.
Thank you very much, Mr. Assis. Now, dear students, we finally reached the moment you have all been waiting for, to march up the stage and present your diplomas. Graduates, you may line up. Ladies and gentlemen, we now present to you our graduates from the Bachelor of Science in Computer Science.
For Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, Abalos Aiza L. Abonales Mark Aldrin E. Adriano Juliana Rose S. Alano Mark Jacob M. Alcober Alexus C. Andam Adrian E. Andam Jasper R. Andaya Christopher R. Andres Andrea P. Aquino Jr. Eliseo J. Avenido Roxanne Joy. Ballesteros John Lester S. Balorio Jam Robic M. Banasihan Russell B. Barba Christian Dave B. Barroso Princess Kate D. Basco Joshua P. Bautista Jerome P. Beruño Maricar A. Boreros Emmanuel D. Buena Obra Karen May C. Bugnalen John Charles Dennis T. Buro Oliver P. Kabintoy Jomar F. Cabrera Loris K. M. Kabuhal Daniel Cyber L. Kagampang Rolly P. Canyon Jr. Jaime R. Kapilitan Ryan O. Carmelo Jesse Daniel G. Celorico Franz Arceli L. Comeros Jean. And Comia RJC. Conde Maria Fatima G. Coral John Paul A. De Castro Donabel A. De Guzman Kathleen B. Delcano Andrea Denise S. Demiques Maricris C. Domingo Renji R. Doclayan Ryan E. Dueñas Juliana K. R. Dulos Jenny Ann G. Duremdes Lester Sam B. Evalan John Leonard P. Eder II Alberto A. Enriquez Angel Caris D. Escala Jean Jerlin. Escanan Princess Jory T. Estabilio Kenneth Cedric M. Estores Andre M. Fernandez John Enrique C. Figuracion John Lloyd C. Flororita Jr. Gary C. Galit Garrett T. Ganadores Jemson B. Garcia Caril Ann P. Garcia Mark Anthony A. Gumba Jeff Christian B. Hijalga Angelo T. Harce Sheena S. Harmen Nathaniel. Duagpao Altia Rose M. Julao Veronica E. Labiano Hanilin Jane B. Lagarto Greg B. Laguisma Joshua Vincent A. Lamirez Ray John B. Laruda Marvin P. Loto Angelo G. Makabasag Vincent Maynard H. Makalatas Nashria M. Magtibay Mariel Ann A. Manalo Julian O. Martizano Ramil C. Machaong Joshua J. O. Montoya Ani M. Morales Joby T. Muyot Jenmark R. Naval Lawrence L. Nepasena John Jomar R. Obumani Mike Kevin N. Okbian Marvin R. Okuma Kenshin Huweb D. Olangco Kern Dominic R. Olakir Alvino R. Oleres Alan Joshua D. Paksa Rex P. Father Juven N. Pahe Jasper Dave A. Pilaza Chris Nino P. Poloyapol Micaela Nicole M. Quinones Godwin Cancio III C. Kiray Noriel A. Regala Karen F. Reyes Maria Cristina A. Ribas Edgar H. Rodriguez John Harold P. Sagwin Jill D. Sales Reggie I, Sebastian Nelson L, Seno Jericho T. Serafica Justin E, Cerito John Ray, Cesbreño Rayman Q. Soliman Joey R, Sulat Reb Sir Mark Yasser D, Sumaria Jennifer Florence B. Talavera Harold B, Tamayo Jomari R, Tanyon RB May A. Tarasona Maria Luz G, Texon Justin Edward A, Toldanes Aljon M. Torres Aishia May E, Valdez Jared G, Valesa John Mark P. Villalba John Nico S, Villanueva Orlando R, and Viohela Ken M.
Ladies and gentlemen, our graduates from the Bachelor of Science in Computer Science course. Congratulations. We now present to you our graduates from the Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering. Apologies, we'd like to present to you our graduates from the Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship.
For BS Entrepreneurship, we have Abuhat Joshua A, Adora John May E, Andaya Luis Inigo B. Balyaran Mariela G, Balugay John Ray R, Bosano Abi. Kabanayan Alray Sherry S, Kabangon Jomar F, Kabasaan Jero C. Cabrillas Julian E, Kalata Ronaldin J, Kalikdan Jake C. Cantoria Rose Ann G, Kapilitan Maika C, and Carino Pauline Ann C. Carrizo Shaira A, Castillo Claire L, Seriola Julie B. Colyarin Kian Andrew F, Cordero Jet Aimee D, Juanico Angeline S. Custodio Micalin Y, De la Cruz Angelica Nicole N, De la Peña Ronel D. Delpino Mike Lionel, Dumapi Cyril L, Eroha Jezebel M. Evardo Francesca Luis L, Garcia Eliza Michel, Garcia Madeline F. Garriga Robert Melchor E. Getape Hazel Ann R. Giamelon Hannah May M. Guzon Roxanne C. Hernando Mary Lisa M. Ignacio Jairus Edber R. Italia Kirby Joy Y. Jawad Pradsmir U. Jeremias Jerome Eduardo S. Kaindoy Val Vincent E. Macasiao Daniel C. Marquez Goldamer E. Mendoza Jenny Rose N. Mirarza Nico C. Morado John Dave R. Muyrong Rosario B. Ong Chua Joseph Iñaki M. Pabilyaran Marjorie A. Pacheco Sandara Jane B. Pangilinan Russell L. Pasa Sherlyn C. Principe K.D. Quintero Mary Rose M. Ramos Josh Angelo B. Reginio Rebecca Joy L. Repaha Oliver B. Robles Rafael E. Rodriguez Jed Rainiel C. Rosita Eliza May A. Ross Grace L. Rojas Rowilin T. Ruiz J. Mark P. Severino Alexi Ruiz. Tuyay Lawrence John Q. Verano Nathaniel J. Boy S. Vergara John Harry T. Villanueva Jacqueline B. and Villar Anita M.
They are the graduates from our Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship course. Congratulations. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the we present you the graduates from our Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering.
For Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, we have Ahok Mark Lester B. Arsenas Ion Kisha S. Baldomar Gio Carl Marco G. Capillok Edgardo I. Fernandez Pauline Joy E. Dalela John Clarito V. Gonya Nipchen M. Lagitaw Omar Jahid A. Levantino Angelo B. Lotibio Briggs Adrian R. Marikit Rinobian A. Mian RC Mite B. Molo Glyza H. Pahayahay Mark Jude O. Santos Ralph Edwin M. Tomale Rainiel C. and Berdida Ismael Q.
Ladies and gentlemen, our graduates from the Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, once again, congratulations. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we now give recognition to our awardees. So, to our awardees, once again, you may please fall in line. Ladies and gentlemen, we now call on stage our awardees.
For our BS Commonwealth branch, for our best thesis, paper, and oral presenters with the title Pond Watch, Threshold-Based Real-Time Water Quality Monitoring System, and the proponents are Alexus C. Alcober, Eliseo C. Aquino Jr., Jam Robic M. Valorio, Princess Kate Barroso, Cabrera Luis K.M., Ryan D. Kapilitan, Franz Arceli L. Celorico, and Aini M. Montoya. We would like to call on stage also our Dean for BS Computer Science. We have Professor Manuel Luis de los Santos, Mr. Cerces Bon Plata, and Ms. Rosalita Olivo. For our second West Innovation and Utilization presenters with the title Gabay, the Rule-Based Crop Recommendation System Utilizing Water Quality Analysis from Hydroponic Farming. We have Alberto A. Eder II, Nathaniel Harme, Julian O. Manalo, Alvino R. Olakir, Reb Sir Mark Yasser D. Sulat, Jennifer Florence B. Sumaria, Justin Edward Texon, and Aishia May E. Torre. Title. Third Best Innovation and Utilization presenters with the title Auto Feather, Fuzzy Logic-Based Fertility Prediction Model Utilizing Feather Density and Thermal Comfort Parameters for Small-Scale Poultry Farms. We have Angelo B. Loto, Jenmark R. Muyot, Alan Joshua D. Olieres, Juven E. Pader, Jericho T. Seno, Jo Marie R. Tamayo, and Maria Luz G. Tarazona. Fourth Best Innovation and Utilization Presenters with the title SIHAY, Android-based egg fertility detection system utilizing neural network for laying hens. We have John Charles Dennis T. Bugnalen, Princess Joriel Escanan, Andre M. Estores, Altia Rose M. Juagpao, Joshua Vincent Lagisma, and Kern Dominic Olangco. Fifth Best Innovation and Utilization Presenters with the title Parousia, RFID-based attendance monitoring system utilizing an anti-collisional algorithm. We have Daniel Saber Kabuhal, RJC Comia, John Jomar Nepasena, Maria Cristina A. Reyes, John Harold P. Rodriguez, Rayman Q. Sesbreño, and John Mico S. Villalba. For our best programmer for BS Computer Science for Commonwealth Branch, we have John Robic M. Balorio. For BS Computer Engineering, Best Capstone Project Paper and Oral Presenters with the title Walkaware, the LiDAR-guided device with haptic feedback for obstacle detection and mobility support for visually impaired person. We have Ayon Kisha Arsenas, Omar Jahid Lagutaw, Brix Adrian Lutibio, Mark Jude Pahayhay, and Ralph Edwin Santos. Second Best Practice Design Presenters with the title Aquasis, IoT-enabled water quality monitoring system for ornamental aquatic pets. We have Edgardo I. Capillok, Pauline Joy Fernandez, John Clarito V. Galela, Angelo Levantino, Rino Bien Marikit, and Glyza H. Molo. Third Best Practice and Design Presenter with the title IoT-based Automated Control and Monitoring System for Home Appliances. We have Mark Lester Ahok, Gio Carl Baldomar, Nitchen M. Gonya, R.C. Mian, Raniel Tumale, and Ismael Berdida. For our best programmer for computer engineering course, we have Angelo B. Levantino. For our BS Entrepreneurship course, first Best Business Plan Implementation awardees with the title The Bowling Balls. We have Cabanayan Alray Cherry S, Carino Pauline Ann C, Dumapi Cyril L, Principe K D, Delpino Mike Lionel, Macasiao Daniel C, and Vergara John Harry T. We would like to call on Dr. Nena Pamokol, and Doc Eileen Bokal. For our second Best Business Plan Implementation awardees with the title Mecus Mecus Prize, we have Kabasaan Jero C, Custodia Mecalin Y, De La Cruz Angela Nicole N, Hernando Marilis M, Marquez Goldemer E, Pabillaran Marjorie A, Ross Grace L, and Villar Anita M. Third Best Business Plan Implementation awardees with the title Caffeine, De La Peña Ronel D, Rodriguez Jed C, Cabangon Jomar F, Pasa Sherlyn C, and Kaindoy Val Vincent T. Fourth Best Business Plan Implementation awardees with the title Spot Sisig, Robles Rafael E, Getafe Hazel Ann R, Quintero Mary Rose M, Garriga Robert Melchor E, Cabrillas Julian E, Ebardo Francesca Luis, and Ignacio Jairus Edver R. Awardees for Bikutan Branch, Best Thesis Paper and Oral Presenters with the title Terabot, a dual-mode conversational robot utilizing ChatGPT 3.5 LLM for controlling home appliances via voice command. We have Adriano Juliana Rose S, Andaya Christopher R, Kabintoy Jomar F, Figuracion John Lloyd C, Makabasag Vincent Maynard H, and Nabal Lawrence L. We would like to call Engineer Hill de las Alas, Professor Manuel Luis de los Santos, Mr. Bon Plata, and Miss Rosalita Olivo. Second Best Innovation and Utilization Presenters with the title Flooding NAKE, a real-time flood detection and early warning system utilizing APIS and random forest algorithm. We have Andam Adrian E., Barba Christian Dave B., De Castro Donabel E., Domingo Renji R., Martizano Ramil C., Kiray Noriel A., and Gumba Jeff Christian. For our third Best Innovation and Utilization Presenters with the title Farm Butika, a mobile application for identifying crops, diseases, and treatment utilizing machine learning algorithm. We have Abonales Mark Aldren E., Andres Andrea P., Ballesteros John Dester S., Canyon Jr. Jaime R., Labiano Honey Jane B., Sales Reggie I., and Valeza John Mark P. For our fourth Best Innovation and Utilization Presenters with the title Hand Talk Local, a mobile-based sign language to speech application using rule-based natural language processing for Philippine dialects. Vasco Joshua P., Bautista Jerome P., Kagampang Rolly P., Carmelo Jesse Daniel G., Buklayan Ryan E., Makalatas Nashria M., Machaong Joshua J.O., and Obumani Mike Kevin N. Fifth Best Innovation and Utilization Presenters with the title Barya Best, an integrated dropshipping mobile application utilizing an AI-driven price recommendational algorithm. We have Abalos Aizael, Comeros Jean, Coral John Paul A., Estabilio Kenneth Cedric M., Flororita Gary Jr. C., Hialga Angelo T., and Regala Karen F. For our sixth Best Innovation and Utilization Presenter with the title Road Vision, an AI-powered road damage detection system utilizing convolutional neural network. We have Alano Mark Jacob M., Beruño Maricar A., Buro Oliver P., Ramirez Ray John B., Okbian Marvin R., and Sebastian Nelson L. For our business or Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship for Bicutan branch, our first Best Business Plan Implementation awardees with the title Connie Chips. We have Andaya Luis Inigo R., Balugay John Ray R., Kalata Ronaldin J., Kapilitan Micah C., Cordero Jet Aimee D., Juanico Angeline S., Italia Kirby Joy Y., Ramos Josh Angelo B., and Villanueva Jacqueline B. We would like to call on Ma'am Nena Pamokol and Doc Eileen Bukal. For our second Best Business Plan Implementation awardees with the title Tiramisu Man, Adora John May E., Bosano Abi, Carizo Shaira A., Castillo Claire L., Eroha Jezebel M., Garcia Eliza Michelle, Mirarzan Nico C., Morado John Dave R., and Ruiz J. Mark P. Third Best Business Plan Implementation awardee with the title Tiny Treasures, Abuhat Joshua A., Kalikdan Jake C., Cantoria Rose Ann G., Seriola Julie B., Colyarin Kian Andrew F., Jawad Pradsmir U., Ong Chua Joseph Iñaki M., Pacheco Sandara Jane B., Regino Rebecca Joy L., and Rojas Rowilyn T. Fourth Business Plan Implementation awardees with the title Sweet Spadilicious Cake. We have Balyaran Mariela G., Garcia Madeline F., Guzon Roxanne C., Giamelon Haneme M., Jerimayas Jerome Eduardo S., Mendoza Jenny Rose N., Muyrong Rosario B., and Pangilinan Russell L. For individual award for Commonwealth branch, we have Leadership Award, Rodriguez John Harold P., For Service Award, we have Kumiya RJ C. For Loyalty Award for Commonwealth Branch, we have Baldomar Gio Carl Marco G. Barroso Princess Kate D. Kumiya RJC. Delfino Mike Lionel. Galela John Clarito V. Joaquao Altia Rose M. Lotibio Briggs Adrian R. Loto Angelo G. Marikit Renovian A. Muyot Genmark R. Olangco Kern Dominic R. Olieres Alan Joshua D. Tamayo Jomari R. And Lagitaw Omar Jahid D. For our Bikutan branch, we have our best programmer, Figuracion John Lloyd C. For our second best programmer, we have Martizano Ramil C. For our leadership award, we have Ramos Josh Angelo B. For our service award, we have Duro Oliver P. Figuracion John Lloyd C. And Pilaza Chris Nino P. Next is our academic excellence for Bikutan branch. We have Berunyo Maricar A. Duremdes Lester Sam B. Makalatas Nashria M. Juanico Angeline S. We also have Ong Chua Joseph Iñaki M. And Ramos Josh Angelo B. For Loyalty Award, we have Banasihan Russell B. Buro Oliver P. Talata Ronaldine J. Cordero Jet Aimee D. Flororita Junior Gary C. Lamirez Ray John B. Morales Joby T. Valesa John Mark P. And Biohela Ken M. For this year's Magna Cum Laude, we have Tanyon RBM. And for our Summa Cum Laude, we have Jawad Pradsmir U. Congratulations po sa lahat.
Congratulations to all our awardees. We have brought honor to your parents, your families, and Asian Institute of Computer Studies is very proud of your accomplishments. At this point, we'd like to call on Ms. R.V. May Tanyon to deliver the note of thanks.
To my fellow graduates, parents, mentors, board of directors, president, Mr. Anthony A. Asis, chairman of the board, Mr. Sita S. Asis, and to our honorable guest speaker, Attorney Marco Cicero F. Domingo. I am honored to speak to you on this very important day. Today, April 15, 2026, we stand as a legacy equipped with knowledge, skills, and values we acquired from this school, walking tall with our banners raised high. I stand on behalf of my fellow graduates to express our sincerest gratitude. First, to my parents, thank you, Mom and Dad, for the undying love and support that you've shown me. A million words would be too short to thank you for all your sacrifices. And I am very thankful for having you as my parents. You never failed to cheer me up. And I know that raising a child and sustain all his needs is not so easy, but you made it. You really work hard for us, and now I am here. I am now someone you can be proud of. Second, to our instructors. We all know that in the past years, you have kept teaching and understanding us, even if we are rowdy because of our attitude. Your patience and devotions in teaching transform us into becoming effective and efficient in our fields. We are very grateful and thankful to all faculty members. Again, thank you for giving us great knowledge that we can use in the future. And third, to my fellow graduates. I know that all of us keep on struggling in the past years. When we are at our campus, we work all as a team to survive on numerous formulas, computations, and activities that give us annoyance. But all of these are just trials that lead us to our great future. The dreams that we made together united us as one. Thank you for all the memories, laughter, tears, and bad times, problems, sleepless nights for thesis and projects, gigs that we made outside the campus, and lastly, all the naughtiness and madness that we shared. All of these are hard to forget and will remain in me. Thank you very much, my comrades. Our alma mater, Asian Institute of Computer Studies, believes in the power of Almighty God. With His power and great glory, we were formed and prepared to claim our destiny. Fellow graduates, today we have achieved something, and soon we will be starting at those entry-level jobs that will be the beginning of our careers. Let us all have clear vision of our future, and I have not the slightest doubt that we will all be successful. Be proud, stand tall. This is not the end, rather it's just the start of our new beginning. Congratulations and God bless us all.
Thank you, RV. We'd like to call on Jam Rovic Balorio to lead the Pledge of Loyalty. Graduates, please stand.
Hello. Let us raise our right hand and repeat after me. I state your name, Jam Rovic M. Balorio, an alumnus of the Asian Institute of Computer Studies, do hereby solemnly pledge to remain loyal to my alma mater, to uphold the noble ideas and principles for which she stands, I will always strive to lead an honest and moral life, and use fully and intelligently the knowledge and skills I have acquired. In the advancement of science and technology, making myself worthy of my God, of my country, my family, and myself.
Thank you, Jam. Graduates, are you ready for the next part? Did you practice? No. Patay tayo dyan. Give it your best, okay? All right. Ladies and gentlemen, let us listen to our graduates as they sing this year's graduation song. To be fair, hindi naman kayo nagsinungaling nung sinabi niyong hindi kayo nag-practice. Alright? Oh. One more chance. This time with feelings, with emotions. Also, I would like to invite everybody to please stand as we sing the AICS hymn.
There
Thank you. You may be seated for a while. Ladies and gentlemen, our ceremony has finally come to an end. After years of dedicated study, you all have made it. You've dreamed of these accomplishments. Now, graduates, you're here. The dream is fulfilled, and you've taken a very big step towards reaching that even bigger dream. To pursue further learning, to land an important job, to make a difference. Whatever your goal is, reach for it. Don't be afraid to dream more, aim higher, and work harder. You hold that brighter promise. Just believe, and you will make that big difference. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe our graduates deserve a big round of applause. Let us also acknowledge the people behind your success, your parents, your families, and relatives who have worked hard to provide for your education, to give all the support and faith you needed, all because they love you. They deserve as much recognition. A round of applause for them, please. Dear graduates, within each and every one of you lies the promise of a better and brighter future. All you need is faith in yourselves. Believe that you are capable of reaching for your dreams. So go on, believe, work hard, and achieve. Do the things you are capable of and see the astounding difference you can make. Asian Institute of Computer Studies, the Board of Directors, the administration, and the faculty salute your accomplishments. Ladies and gentlemen, the batch 2026 graduates of Asian Institute of Computer Studies, Commonwealth, and Bikutan. Malapit na po tayong matapos, no? Pero bago po tayo matapos, hihingi lang po ako ng konting favor sa inyo. Alam naman po natin that after this session, meron pong susunod. So kung maaari po sana, pagkatapos natin, magbubukas na po kami ng mga pintuan. Pwede na po tayong mag-exit. Tuloy ang celebration sa labas, sa restaurant, sa bahay, kung saan nyo po binabalak. Again, graduates, congratulations po. Palakpakan po natin sila. And at this point, tinatawag po muna natin ang lahat ng ating mga faculty members, administrative officers, department heads, deans, na kung maaari po sumama naman kayo sa amin sa stage para makasama po natin si Attorney Domingo sa photo opportunity. Graduates, parents, relax lang muna kayo dyan, ha? All right, guys, thank you very much. May we request everybody, let us all stand for the exit of colors. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of our guest, Attorney Marco Domingo from the National Capital Region of the Commission on Higher Education, the AICS Board of Directors, Administrative Officers, the faculty and staff, this is Alvin Carino, Master of Ceremonies once again. Congratulations, graduates. Mabuhay po kayong lahat.